ভিউয়ার্স, আজকে আমি আপনাদের সাথে প্রফেসর ডক্টর ইউনূস সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব। ইংলিশে আলোচনা করব, আপনারা শুনবেন। Professor Doctor is one of the best leaders in Bangladesh. Not if you would like to recognize him as the leader of Bangladesh, it is out of the question for me to believe that, because he has so much vast reputation. He has reputation in Bangladesh, but also he has vast reputation in the world. The cause is why, in this context, I would like to recognize him the global leader, a reputed leader and renowned leader. So, without neglecting him, we should always appreciate him. If you would like to improve our Bangladesh, or if you would like to turn into, or if you would like to make our Bangladesh a developed country, or instead of developing country, since the liberation or our country has been a neglected country and developing country instead of developed country. So, if you would like to improve our Bangladesh, or if you are country, we have to stand, or we have to stand with him. Thank you.